Okay, this is the water heater video, and if we look at the data plate, it says that the water heater was manufactured in 2020. All right, so it's 1 year old. It's 50 gallons. Gas comes in here. We have the shut-off valve. We have the sediment trap. It's electronic ignition, so we're not going to be able to see inside the burner compartment. We have a safety pan. This is a safety pan drain line. These are the care and use manual. The piping coming into the water heater has insulation. All right, so we should have insulation. This is the temperature pressure relief valve. We should have insulation on that. You can feel that. See that heat? That's heat that you've paid for. That's energy that's being consumed and not used. It's being dispersed, just like this foam on these lines here. I mean, by the way, it'd be better if the foam came a little closer to the tank, honestly. So I'm going to mark that up as well. You can see right here the insulation is loose around the piping. It should be taped up a little better. They should have just done a better job at that, and this should have been insulated. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 bins for the temperature pressure relief drain, and that's what we're supposed to have. You come out here to the front of the property. This is the drain. Can we focus on that? This is the drain and the pan. Right now, this flower bed has not been made, all right? So it's empty. And as this is in its current condition, these drain lines are too high from the ground. They should not be higher than 6 inches from the ground. And today, they're not. But once we have the flower bed installed, and I'm going to say that's deficient. I'm going to say that's deficient, but once the flower bed's installed, that might be corrected. So